welcome back to our YouTube channel Bahasaku English, special channel for studying English. So guys, today we're gonna talk about the difference between perhaps, maybe, and probably. Seperti yang teman-teman tahu, perhaps, maybe, probably, mereka itu satu arti, tapi ternyata cara penggunaannya itu berbeda. Apa yang bikin berbeda? We will continue later, but before that you can click like, comment, and subscribe first, and the notification below because we will give you more video. So please click it. Alright, thank you for that. And now we will discuss now. Yang pertama ada perhaps, yang kedua ada maybe, yang ketiga ada probably. Jadi masing-masing dari tiga ini mereka punya persentasinya masing-masing. Percentage. Persentasi in English percentage. Percentage. Buat perhaps itu dia 10% sampai 30%. Kemudian ada maybe. Maybe dia 40 sampai 60%. And the last ada probably dia 60% sampai 90%. Itu bedanya perhaps, maybe, probably dari segi persentasi. Nah, untuk perhaps dia biasa digunakan oleh native ketika ingin memberikan sebuah suggestion atau saran. Perhaps you can go there. Perhaps you can visit that place. Kayaknya mungkin kamu bisa pergi ke sana. Mungkin kamu bisa mengunjungi tempat ini. Tapi di balik kata perhaps itu, arti mungkin itu hanya 10-30%. Jadi bisa dibilang kalian yakin, tapi dalam presentasi yang sangat rendah. That's why perhaps itu digunakan ketika kalian ingin memberi suatu suggestion, saran, sekalipun kalian nggak cukup yakin, tapi kalian ketika kalian ingin memberikan sebuah saran, kalian bisa menggunakan perhaps. Perhaps you can visit my home, but I don't know later. Atau mungkin perhaps if you are getting sick, you can visit to doctor siapa gitu. So that's it. Next, yang kedua ada maybe. Nah, maybe ini it is used when you aren't sure enough, ketika kalian tidak cukup yakin. Tapi persentasenya itu 40-60%. Jadi hanya kalian yang bisa memposisikan. Ketika kalian ingin menyebutkan mungkinnya itu perhaps, apa mau pakai maybe? Misalkan teman kalian nanya, will Professor Peter enter to the class today? Nah, kalian kayaknya sih bakal masuk, tapi nggak tahu juga. Tapi persentasinya nih 40-60%. Nah, you can say maybe. Yes, maybe. Atau mungkin maybe he will enter. Atau mungkin maybe he will. Nah, itu udah cukup. Yang terakhir ada probably. Probably itu dia presentasinya tinggi banget, 60-90%. Nah, kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, it is used when you are sure enough. Ketika kalian cukup yakin akan sesuatu hal, you can use probably. Misalkan kalian tes ujian masuk universitas. Nah, di situ kalian mengikuti ujian dengan sangat lancar, atau saya yakin nih jawaban saya benar. So you can say probably I will enter to that university. Probably I will enter to that university. Mungkin saya bakal masuk ke universitas itu. Tapi mungkinnya itu 60% sampai 90%. So that's why we can say that you are sure enough. kita bisa bilang kalau teman-teman ini cukup yakin ketika kalian sudah menggunakan probably. So, yep, perhaps, maybe, and probably. That's it from me, Miss Jija. And of course, guys, I need to see your comment, your examples ya. Kalian bisa taruh contoh kalian di kolom komentar. Perbedaan perhaps, maybe, dan probably. I will check it your example and I will make the correction of that. So yeah, that's it from me, Miss Jija. And don't forget to stay on Bahasaku Inggris, cause we will give you more video. And ya, kalau teman-teman punya masalah materi, kayak misalkan ada materi-materi yang belum teman-teman paham, belum teman-teman ngerti, kalian bisa kontak di Instagram kita. So we will discuss later in the next video. Yep, that's it. See you in the next occasion. Bye-bye.